Voice actor? Voiceover? What's the difference? And what am I? So it turns out that this is quite a popular question. What's the difference between a voice actor and a voiceover? Well, a voiceover is the thing that you hear, the disembodied voice on a documentary or something similar. A voice actor is the person who does the voiceover. But that person is also sometimes called a voiceover, or voiceover artist, possibly, but also just a voiceover. Hi, I'm Richard. I'm a voiceover. Hi, I'm Richard. I'm a voice actor. They're both the same, really. But if you're talking about gaming or animation, then that is definitely a voice actor, because there's more acting involved.
To voiceover or not to voiceover? That is the question.
Although if you're doing other types of voiceover, there is also acting involved. Don't get me wrong, just because it's an audio guide for a museum doesn't mean there's no acting. Of course there's acting. That's why we use people and not AI. AI is always voiceover. AI is never voice acting. AI cannot act. People act. And because of that, many voiceover artists are now just calling themselves voice actors, which I prefer, actually. I think I would prefer to call myself a voice actor, although I am also a corporate narrator, an audio guide narrator, or a voiceover artist, or just voice actor. Drink tea, voiceover repeats. So the next time you need a voiceover, go find a voice actor. My name's Richard, and I am your voiceover artist, and I am your voice actor.